Hello, I'm Debbie Rogers, the facilitator for the Science and Innovation Lab, our Wonder Lab here at SJEDS. It is an experience for students to explore and create their learning together with their peers. So the Wonder Lab, when I was researching what sciencing is, and science is an active, engaging activity, it's not a noun, everything comes up with wonder. It's preserving that natural wonder that is within our young children, that curiosity throughout their lives. So this is a place where children come in, we learn about science, scientific concepts by building and creating. And then what is really powerful, it's not what's within our walls, but how it expands outside of our walls.
And I do feel like the Wonder Lab is like the perfect shell. It is so beautiful. It's a crazy assortment of all the things she's collected and built with her children in there. It's so creative outside of the box, and it is a wondrous place.
Here in the Lower School of Science and Innovation, we always start with an interesting prompt, a mystery that we want to solve and try to figure out, trying to get in that scientific idea that we wonder, and then we come up with ideas of how we can test it.
Debbie, you have been my real life Mrs. Frizzle. I remember watching that show when I was a little kid and starting out when I was teaching my first teaching class. And she always brought a sense of wonder, a sense of magic, and just made you feel like you were totally capable.
So I collaborate with Amy in our upper school, and we use similar styles and curriculum, all the hands-on investigative experiences, and as well as bringing in scientific notebooks. Here we do a very organic, what do you think we should be writing? What are we discussing? How would you record a drawing? Scientists collect data. Make sure you're recording your data and analyzing it. And as they get into the upper school, it's a bit more refined. Their writing becomes more scientific and more precise. Their use of scientific vocabulary begins to be tested more, whereas we explore it openly here in the lower school.
Debbie, your passion for science just spills into our students, and I love seeing their curiosity when I walk into the Wonder Lab and them exploring the world around us because of your excitement in science.
And as I get to venture into the great unknown of being a Gigi to my first grandson, it's where they've asked me to come and join them in St. Petersburg, Florida, I will be venturing and keep what I have here in my heart, and I will be connecting with other children in some way. I'm just not sure what it will be. It is truly a blessing to be a part of this community.
I hope you have a wonderful time helping raise your beautiful grandson. It is going to be the best job you've ever had.
So as you move to St. Petersburg to be with your sweet grandbabies, just know that all of us here, we love you, and we're praying that it's just the best blessing and best chapter of your life, because you've given us such a great chapter of your life.
My message to every student is, be curious your whole life. Ask questions, wonder, explore, and have joyful problem solving your whole life, not just while you're young, but throughout your whole life.
Thank you, Mrs. Rogers.
Thank you, Mrs. Rogers.
Thank you, Mrs. Rogers.
Thank you, Mrs. Rogers.
Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you, Mrs. Rogers.
Thank you, Mrs. Rogers.
Thank you, Mrs. Rogers.
My time in the Wonder Lab has come to an end. Take it with you and enjoy.